Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be continuing through the Ken Stroud Engineering Mathematics book, and we're going through trigonometry. We've just started. We just had our first lesson in the previous video. So in the last video, we was writing degrees as decimals, and in this video, we'll be going through converting decimals to degrees. So last video we did degrees as decimals, and in this video we'll be doing decimals back to degrees. So in the last video, we converted 53 degrees, 29 minutes, and 7 seconds into decimal form, which turned out to be 53.485. And the way that we did that was we took 53 degrees, which obviously stays the same. Then we took 29 minutes and we divided that by 60. And then we took 7 seconds and we divided that by 3,600, which is 60 times 60. So that gave us from 53 down to 53, that stays the same. 29 divided by 60 equals 0.483 recurring, and 7 divided by 3,600 equals 0.00194 recurring, right? So you add that all together, round it up to 3 decimal places, that leaves you 53.485 degrees in decimal form. So now we're going to do it the other way. So we say, for example, to convert 18.478 degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So we've got 18.478 in decimal form, and we're going to convert it into the degrees, minutes, and seconds. So the way that we would do that was we'd take the 18 degrees, right? And that would stay the same as before. The bit before the decimal point is the degree value. So whether it was 999, 18, 64, 62, whatever it is, 18 point something is always going to be 18 degrees. Then we take the remainder, the point after the decimal point, and we multiply that whole thing by 60. Then what we do, anything over the decimal point, we keep that. So there's 28 in this example. 0.478 times 60 is equal to 28.68. This 28 now is our minute value, as you can see here. So we've got our 18 degrees and 28 minutes. Then we now take the 0.68, we multiply that by 60 again, and that gives us 40.8. And this 40.8 now is our figure for our seconds. What we always do is we round up the seconds we round it to the nearest second, whether that's rounding up or rounding down. So in this instance, 40.8 rounded up is 41 seconds. So you can see we've got 18 degrees, 28 minutes, and 41 seconds. Right? So what we're asked to do here is we're asked to convert 236.986 into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So let's do that over here. 236.986. Yep, that's correct. So we take the degree value, 236, that obviously stays the same. We take the 0.986, we multiply this by 60, and that gives us, cool, so that gives us 0.986 times 60, which is 59.16. Now, this figure here is our minute value. So we take the 0.16, multiply that by 60, 0.16 times 60, and that gives us 9.6, which is our seconds value. This is our minutes value, this is our seconds value, and this is our degree value. So 236.986 is the same as 236 degrees, 59 minutes, and instead of 9.6 seconds, round it to the closest second, which is 10 seconds. Cool. How about, well, first let's check our answer. So 236 degrees, 59 minutes, and 10 seconds. 236 degrees, 59 minutes, and 10 seconds. As you can see here, 236, the degree stays the same. 0.986, sorry, is multiplied by 60, which leaves you with 59.16. We keep the 59 as our minutes. We take the 0.16 and multiply that by 60. That gives us 9.6. Then we round it to the nearest second, which is 10 seconds. And then obviously we've got 59 minutes here. And then we've got 236 degrees. Cool. So what we'll do is we'll do another one now together. If, let's do 66.23. So if you can pause the video here and then you do this one yourself, and then we'll do it together afterwards. Cool. Are you done? Alright, let's do it together. So we've got 66 degrees. That stays the same obviously. The 0.23, we times that by 60. 0.23 times 60, which is 13.8. So this 13 is our minute value, and then we do 0.8 times 60 again, which is equal to 0.8 times 60, which is equal to 48 seconds. So we've got 66 degrees, 13 minutes, and 48 seconds. So therefore, 66.23 in decimal is the same as 66 degrees, 13 minutes, and 48 seconds. Cool. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, or drop me an email. And if you would like to get these notes, they'll be on my website, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.